Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS LTS, and VS Code. Once installed, open your project folder in VS Code and initialize npm with npm init. This creates package. JSON so tools know your project. Then install ESLint and the Node.js extension. They provide linting and runtime support. Make sure to run Node v and npm v to verify versions before continuing. This gets you into a working environment quickly and prevents common version mismatch issues. Now create index.js and add a simple console, log, or a minimal express app. This gives you something to run and inspect. Use the VS Code integrated terminal to run Node index.js or add a script in package. JSON and launch with npm run start. Once running, add a launch. JSON configuration for Node debugging and set breakpoints in the editor to step through code. This lets you inspect variables and call stacks, so you understand why code behaves a certain way and iterate faster. To finish, run with Nodeman for auto-reloads or use the debugger to step through functions and inspect variables. This streamlines iterative testing. Once done, build npm scripts for start, test, and lint so you can reproduce runs consistently. If something goes wrong, check your path and Node version, then read the terminal stack trace carefully. It points to the failing file and line. A single troubleshooting tip: when breakpoints are ignored, ensure your launch. JSON points to the correct program, and that source maps or transpilation settings align.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.